What? After looking at my videos and you still do not understand? Okay, I'm going to explain to you one more time. Come with me. If you have a Porsche, you will either get a standard radio CDR or the higher spec Porsche Communication Management System PCM. For cars with CDR, you will get a lower resolution touchscreen with basic features such as CD, radio, and an auxiliary input for external source. Unlike PCM, which comes with built-in navigation, USB, and more media connectivities. However, if today your Porsche is more than 5 years old, neither of these systems will be able to connect to our sophisticated smartphones to catch up with the advancement of technology. We have solutions to facelift these systems and integrates your smartphones without the need of replacing them for aftermarket radio. Doing that replacement usually will lose some factory features and even compromise on reliability. In some serious cases, it will even affect the car resale value. Since I'm able to do this for factory Porsche system, I don't recommend replacement of aftermarket radios. There's no benefit and a need for it. Follow me and I will show you how I can upgrade your cars. Bye!